In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Asana add-on in Gmail. By the end of this guide, you'll be able to seamlessly integrate Asana tasks into your Gmail workflow, optimizing your productivity. First things first, we need to navigate to the Asana website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Asana URL or simply search Asana in your search engine. Once the site loads, direct your attention to the top right corner and click on the Login button. This step is crucial as you'll need to access your projects within Asana to connect them to Gmail. Next, to streamline the login process, choose the Continue with Google option. This allows for a quicker login experience by linking your Google account directly with Asana. Select the Google account you want to use and you're in. Once logged in, the next destination is your project. Navigate to your specific Asana project by selecting it from your dashboard or searching for it by name. This is the project you'd like to integrate with the Gmail add-on, so take a moment to ensure it's the correct one. In the upper right-hand corner of your project page, you'll find the Customize option. Click on it. The Customize menu offers various settings and integrations for your projects, and this is where we can add our Gmail add-on. After selecting Customize, proceed by clicking on Add. The menu now shows several options, and we're looking for one labeled App. By selecting App, you are choosing to add new functionalities or integrations to your project, one of them being the Gmail rules. Next, inside the app options, click on Gmail rules. Here you'll see the tools available for integrating Gmail functionality directly into your Asana projects. These rules will help you manage emails as tasks, enhancing your organizational capabilities. Follow by choosing Add to Project. This step is where you literally connect the Gmail add-on to your project, making sure it becomes an integral part of your task management process. Visualize this as adding another tool into your arsenal for better managing incoming tasks directly from Gmail. Finally, the last touch is to click on Connect to Gmail Rules and authorize access to your Gmail account. This connection is where your Asana and Gmail truly become integrated, allowing emails to be converted directly into Asana tasks with established rules. After you've connected your account, you're all set up, and there you have it. You are now able to use Asana's Gmail add-on to enhance your project management experience. With these steps, you can streamline tasks and maintain better control of your workflow. Thanks for watching and happy organizing!